Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Hotspot Shield subscription. So first, open your desired web browser and go to hotspotshield.com. After that, on the top right corner of the screen, on the navigation bar, click Account. And then after that, you sign in with your credentials. Now on the left side of the screen, select Account Info. Now on the membership section, you will see your current plan here. And then you will see a cancel button. If you wish to cancel, click the cancel button. Now you will be asked to provide a reason for canceling. Just go ahead and choose one and click continue. So here are some notes before you cancel. If you are canceling due to a technical issue or need assistance, it is recommended to contact Hotspot Shield support via the account page and clicking the support button on the left side of the screen. And canceling auto-renewal will not automatically provide a refund. For refund inquiries, contact support via email or chat. Also, once you cancel auto-renewal, your account will remain active until the current subscription period expires. After that, your account will revert to basic or free status and won't be charged again.